As with cars and trucks, RV manufacturers release new model year RVs annually. Now, often, these releases include new features, floor plans, consolidated RV brands, or just new RVs entirely. But knowing when to expect and what to expect can leave some RVers in the lurch, especially when you're shopping for a new RV. So, for those with questions, here is how the model year timeline works and just a few pointers on finding the best RV at the right price. Each summer, leading manufacturers across the industry announce new model year RVs. While some are announced as early as Q1, the bulk of the model year changeover occurs from July 1st through August 31st. Now, with that being said, just let me clarify a little bit. As of 2020, the RV Industry Association, or RVIA, released official guidelines recommending that manufacturers announce the new model year in that window from the beginning of July through the end of August. However, in a June 2024 release, RVIA's updated recommendation calls for the model year changeover to occur from June 1st through June 30th, beginning with the 2026 model year. So as you can see, there's a history here. There's been some back and forth, and some gray area, unfortunately, still exists. But it's important to know that not all manufacturers will follow these guidelines. Historically, manufacturers have released new model years in the summer and then released the same models with significant upgrades in the fall. And this is a trend that we've seen year over year. So that means the earliest you'll likely see meaningful floor plan changes and feature additions will be at some of the major events like the Hershey RV show in early September. This also means that early model year RVs released in the summer may not differ much from the previous model year. For example, an early 2025 RV may be similar to a late model 2024 RV. So if you want to see and tour the newest models and floor plans and learn about meaningful changes for the upcoming model year, going to a big fall show is probably your best bet. Or if you would like, you can simply subscribe to this channel, as we do strive to bring the newest RVs to you as soon as they're available. Now, knowing the timing of RVIA's recommended model year change can help if you're interested in previous model years or if you have your eye out for a deal, because dealers begin to look forward to adding the new model year to their inventory. So prices on previous model year campers can just become a little bit more buyer friendly. If you're in the market for a used RV, the announcement of the new model year is going to be your sign that dealerships may begin offering discounts and incentives to purchase the previous model year's remaining inventory. What are the key takeaways here? First, model year and meaningful changes happen at different times. Not all the same model year RVs are going to be the same. Second, RVIA's recommended model year changeover will be shifting slightly earlier for the 2026 model year, but you'll still see some outliers as manufacturer releases will vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. Third, the first time to see, tour, and experience actual floor plan and feature changes will be at big fall RV shows like the Hershey RV show. Fourth, the release of the new model year impacts the pricing and availability of previous model years. And lastly, actual changes from year to year vary by manufacturer, ranging from complete brand overhauls to minor floor plan shifts, and honestly, just pretty much everything in between. As manufacturers release new models and introduce new features, we strive to be the first to bring you comprehensive video reviews and walkthroughs. So subscribe for updates to be the first to see what's disrupting the industry next year.